Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. I'm very excited to present you the video today, Mantis Kung Fu for beginner. So follow me now. So today training plan, we got to learning about 20 moves for the beginner moves. So we do one by one and step by step with the details. I'm guarantee you'll be learning the real nice Mantis Kung Fu. So follow me now. So the first move, attention. So both feet all together, standing 45. And your both head just around your body, and standing straight. Your both shoulder go out, chin up, stay confident. Follow me now. So your both hand become a fist. So you got together and go up to your waist. Very good. So the next move, your right hand go down and you straight all the way up. Right, just like a Superman, but with your palm, right? Finger together. This way, you make the first move. Relax your elbow and your fingers relax. And to make your Mantis hand, you go shot and high, snap, go this way. So this hand, very important. Your shoulder relax and quick, boom, go up and relax your elbow to make that strong. Boom. The first move, high snap with your single Mantis hand, right? So after that, you step the left. Then you make your hand become just hand, right? Like a palm. So you go slap kick. So the slap kick, your kick straight and your toe point and your hand just slap on top. So that's the way how you practice for the snap kick. For the slap kick. So your hand stays there because you want to kick high you can. So the goal is your leg to kick your hand. It's not your hand to go down. If you go this, everybody can do. So give yourself a little challenge. Of course, before that you should do stretching and warm up. So we skip that part. So we'll talk about that later. So get ready. You get right hand straight up and become the single finger, and you step your left and your hand become palm and you go shoot, slap kick. That's perfect. And your right hand go down, become snake hand. The Mantis hand, and your left hand also become the Mantis hand. And you go both hand cross right this moment, and your both hand, you say this, you step back your right, then you both hand by your elbow and you go down. With your first move, we go resting stance with your both hands like this. So let's just talk about the resting stance. So for beginners, I'm not asking you to go low like this. You can just go by your knee a little bit, but make sure you keep your balance, and that's all. But let's say if your nose this way, follow me, but you hand your right, step back, heel up, and this one stays grounded, don't move at all, and your body stays centered, so you go low, low, low. So that's its resting stance. So if you go too big, you're not going to keep your balance, and too small, you cannot even cross your leg. So resting stance with that part, boom, about 2 feet far away, heel up. This one not move at all, so you go down, and stand up, and stand up. So keep practice couple times a day, you will get this. So you got the first couple moves. So now from beginning, and then we go more further, right? So 45 and stand, 1 and 2 and 3, and after that step your left, you go kick, landing, and both hand cross from here, then you step back, you go beautiful, yes, strong as well. Okay, so after this, you both fingers stay this way, and you go a big circle, step back this way, and you relax straight your fingers, and you go boom. So this move, you make called both stance. So let's quick talk about both stance. Your back have knees straight, and your toe 45, and this is 90 degree, and this flat. So this is beautiful stance, grounded and strong. So hand, relax, high step with that way. But of course, in the form, we go 45 this way, and you go shot, go back. So your body lean more this way, so you can have the high step. So that's, I believe is that's movement. If someone kick me, I go back, boom, and I can attack back, right? So let's continue after this. So once you both hand and go this way, 45, shoom, right here, your both hand relax. You see your elbow come back this way to attack with the power. So your hand to traveling from back, relax. You say, woo, you attack. So you test, you very tight for your wrist and you go like this, attack your fingers, boom, like this, right? So once you go to attack forward and you step your right, you both hand from front and go back to attack with this way. And after this, you both hand and go down and make a big circle, come back. Your right wrist, you make knee lip high and you go, bah! You say the both hand from outside coming in. So this is attacking move to attack the both side of your height, go like this. So very important, you in your chest and your shoulder relax, but our power right here. Okay, so let's quick to talk about these steps, right? So from here, you go lean back, you high step, you say, fuck, your body to shift. This is a ball step, and you move to another ball steps. So like, sing, like this. At the same time, your hand transfer to attack like this. So power, great. And you step, boom. So you see the step, your toe have to go this way, you bend your knee, and you attack back. So you can keep your balance. If you go straight, your body cannot even move. How you can twist? Because your toe go this way. Your toe have to go this way, then you can attack back, right? So both hand, let this moment come back your waist, and you make a big step, you're landing, you both hand from both sides. Remember that? Chest in, shoulder relax, power right here. Great. Okay, let's continue. Almost there. Okay, so after this one, your right hand become palm. You make a circle right there, go down. Your left hand attack right here. So go circle and you step back. So stay center and this heel up. And you both hand go down circle. And then you step like you just walk like this, right? Okay, so right here. And then you make boom. That's called outside slap kick. So let's quick talk about just this part, give you a tutorial, right? So after this, you say circle, relax your right hand over your head. And this hand just right here. And you step, and your hand continues go here. So one more time, 1, 2. And after, so the outside kick, your kick actually start inside, go this way, and then go up, high you can, and then you go big circle and you land back. So this is outside kick. So you go shoom right here. So you should practice slowly with that. So step left and kick direction up and go this way. So go boom, relax. So the way you more think you're landing behind of you, the circle is bigger. If you think you're landing just right side, sometimes you're landing this. It's not big enough. So why we need a bigger circle? That is can be a blocking or a kicking movement. Just when coming set, you still can. So kick, right? So this is the outside kick. So practice, right? So get this. So from here, so circle over, step back, step forward, both hand on your left side, and you got kick. And now we talk about the slap. You both hand, bang, slap on the top. The sound is give you the impact. So this is how you can get your power. So feels like why I got to go slap. Actually, this is give you more impact. So you can to have the power. Then you continue next move, right? So you go boom. So this is the outside kick. You both hand so just become the Mantis hand and cross down, and you go cross up. So same time you go knee lift like this. Then you go boom. First stance. So you both hand from the top, you go down, boom, drop like this. You both hand and go boom, go down like this. So let's talk about horse stance. Horse stance, you both toes go straight and your knees go outside and stay. Body straight like this. Alright, so very important. So once you go, what is the good size for horse stance? You should make one step. You make sure your both toes are straight, just the same size like your shoulder. And make 1.5. So that is good size. Your toe straight and you got stay, center, go down. That's it. And your knee go outside like this. Great work. So now continue. So you both hand come back to your wrist and you make vertical punch right. You make a vertical punch left. Okay. So how you can to make a powerful and strong punch? So with the punch, you say, I move my waist, twist this way, and twist this way a little bit. So you go 1. So this you can extend the range, go far, and then you go far. So that's I can to reach my target. I go, boom, and go, boom. So instead here, so you never can be reach your target. So go, boom, boom, so boom, boom, and shift your waist. Repeatedly training, you will get this strong punch, right? So you got this, so you go 1 and 2. So you say next move, you got strong elbow. I love so much. So your hand, so by your elbow, so right here, you say this become palm, and then you twist to left side. So the more you twist, and you have more power. Just like you go right here, you can attack right here, right? So you go 1, 2, and 3. This is great. And the last move, your elbow relax and come back, stay the same level like your shoulder, and you punch, and you come back your first stance. So just quick, get this after the kick, right? After the kick, and then you both hand cross, knee lift, and you go, boom, both hand go down first stance, and after that, so you go punch right and punch left, and you go elbow. Then you go boom, come back, your left hand and elbow behind. So with the first stance, a strong power Mantis form. That's all for lesson 1. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Stay with me to do one last time, and I want to ask you, how are you today? It's a beautiful day. It's nothing else better than to have a Kung Fu training. I love the training so much. I love to teaching you. So follow me for one last time. Way, I always get a comment how many times, days, for a week. Really depends on your schedule and how much time you have, right? So for my suggestion, you should to training as much you can and not make you super tired. You don't want to be super tired and you cannot do anything else in life. And I want you make steps. So if you're beginners, so probably you do memory training. If you watch my video, you just do the movement slow, and generally to adding more speed, adding more power, and eventually you want to have really strong, your body condition, you have really strong punch, really strong Mantis hand and stances. It's very important, right? Okay, so follow me to do the last time. Ready? Both hand on your waist. Right hand go up straight, relax, and become boom, the single Mantis hand. And stop your left, and you go kick, landing, cross, and you go stances, and come back, you step back, you both hand make a circle, and go high step, and after this, you go attack forward, and then you step back, then you make a circle, coming, big step, and attack, both sides, then your right hand become palm, and you go step back, and you step forward your left, both hand on your left side, and you make big circle kick. After this kick, you both hand from down and go up, stay tall, and go to stay first stance. And after this, both hand back to your waist, you punch right and punch left. And you go strong elbow, and you come back with your last move, punch left. Okay, great work. So if you're first time here, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you hit the bell button, don't miss out the next video. I have a passion to teaching you. I want to be the best Kung Fu possible. So stay with me. I see you in next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.